Start with 4 medium potatoes. Wash the potatoes well and cut them into wedges. Wash the potato wedges again to remove excess starch. Dry the wedges thoroughly using a clean kitchen towel. Place the dried potato wedges into a large mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix well until all the wedges are evenly coated with the seasoning. Line a baking tray with kitchen foil. Lightly spray the foil with cooking oil. Arrange the potato wedges in a single layer on the tray. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes, turning the wedges halfway through cooking until they are golden brown and crispy. All done! Here are my crispy homemade potato wedges. Golden, crispy, and perfectly seasoned. Serve them with your favorite dip and enjoy! Subscribe to Creative Recipes for easy home cooking recipes, delicious meal ideas, and everyday kitchen inspiration.